Got a little bit short here, the 369 area in the Qs, and then it reversed right in my face, so I got out of that size immediately. But then I spent the rest of the day just putting on massive size. I had a huge position short. I'm giving it the right amount of room. And, I thought we would just have a 3-day pullback. And my mistake in the trade was, thinking we're just going to have a 3-day pullback. So we're going to bottom soon. So I was very quick to take profits, very, very, very quick to take profits when the trade wasn't telling me that I need to take profits. So I get very short and I begin to cover some at the end of the day here. And I took off like 60% of my position, maybe 65 for peanuts, for $2-3. That was a huge mistake. And then it bounces and we get a bounce the next day and I'm covering everything into strength. So when you're short, you obviously want to cover into weakness or you want to get stopped out at big levels into strength. So again, I cover some into strength here, not what you want to do. Cover some into strength here, not what you want to do. And then I finally cover some into weakness into Thursday, Friday. So, but I'm holding a piece against that high so that I can re-short. All right. So then, we see the market come back. We get a little pop Thursday, Friday into yesterday. And today, I don't know if you saw me in the chat. I was like, it's almost funny watching the Qs trade against the SPY because the SPY was looking strong and the Qs were just so incredibly weak. So I put another, decent amount of short on and right away we begin to bounce it and I just get out of that ad right at my price. And then the Fed's Bullard, the president that came out with those comments, comes out with those comments 5 minutes later. And if you look at my chart about where I covered, oh God, I covered it all today, 367. And now we're down at 361. It looks like we have more downside ahead. So I messed up 2 huge shorts that should have, been super, super profitable to me. All because I was in my head about taking profits and what I thought the market would do instead of just reacting to what the market was actually doing. And again, I am a vagina to the short side. That's all I've really learned about myself.
You're such a pussy on the short side. Go home and get your fucking shine box.
It's just...
I don't know if you could say that entirely, considering you had like a 7-figure short on, so, maybe not.
Yeah, all
fully.
that stuff's good if you make the money from it. I had the 7-figure short on. I covered it for what, 1/4%. Sick, what a beast.
Yeah, that's. Do you think that if you had like a lighter position, you would have been able to, like, let it rock a little bit longer?
Maybe, maybe that's the thing. I gotta contend with myself personally. Maybe I was too focused on the size and the dollar amount of the short than I was with the actual position, which clearly, I messed every part of the trade up. I was covering it to strength, weakness, whatever it was. So just a lot of lessons there in the fact of, if you're going to take a trade, just take the ride.